You write about your mother's passing during a career high point. How did that moment change your relationship with control?
So I just been called and told that the Essence Festival was coming to South Africa.
Yeah.
And that there was one panel with all of the dignitaries from KZN and so on, and they had asked for me to come and moderate.
Yeah.
And so I was mentally prepared for that's what I'm going to do. At the same time, Rory and I are actually in Limpopo with friends, the Letzilas. And we're listening to some uncle who's had a bit too much to drink and he's speaking very interesting English and everybody's laughing. And my phone rings and I see it's my dad and I just go, okay, I'll wait because it's the speeches. I don't want to be rude, and I ignore the call. He calls again. My father's not that person. So I step out and I go, and I don't think he said more than these two words, "Uma wako uwile." And I just knew, your mother has fallen. I knew from the tone that something was very wrong. I don't remember much, but I remember that from that moment, Rory and I drove from Limpopo to KZN.
Yeah.
And I'll fast forward to saying that when I arrived, I thought, sure, I'm here. Now I'm in control. Now I'm going to sort things out, right? So the first thing that I do is I make sure that we get her into the right hospital. Check. In control. Sorted. I speak to the doctors. I rally them. Sit them around me. Like, okay, what are you saying? What are you saying? What are we doing? What's the game plan?
You're moderating that
Yeah, I'm
process.
moderating the doctors. That, okay, fine, check, done, right? And so I'm so confident that I've got it. That I say to my boss, Bronwyn Nielsen, I say to her, Bronwyn, I'm still going to do the Essence thing. Because she had called, and when I told her what happened, she said, don't do the Essence thing, I'll send somebody. I'm like, no, Bronwyn, I'm going to do the Essence thing. I need it just for my sanity. And she says, okay. Rory and I drive to Durban. We decide that we're going to drive the evening before so that I can wake up early in the morning and go and moderate, because the call time was super early. As we're reflecting, and this is now me reflecting and lamenting, oh, what we've just gone through, saving the day, now we can breathe. Yes, we've now sorted everything out. Rory and I are having this conversation. My phone rings and it's my mom's number. My first intuition is anger. I'm thinking, who's using her number? Why are these nurses calling with her number? I answer the phone and it's her. I cannot believe it. My mother had had a stroke. When I'd left her, she couldn't speak. And it was visible that she was struggling, but the doctors were confident, after being moderated, of course, that she didn't need surgery, that she could actually pull through, but she wasn't speaking. And it's her on the phone. She says two things. She says, "Ubuya nini? When are you coming back?" And I say, "I'm coming back tomorrow." And then she says, "Ungifakele airtime." Typical mother request. Please put some airtime on my phone. And I say, okay. I'm literally shaking with excitement as I'm talking to Rory, and I'm like, I can't believe we just spoke to her. Like, I can't believe that she's speaking. Like, the recovery is like incredible. These doctors are really on it. I wake up in the morning, I go. Rory gets onto a flight to come back to Joburg. I get onto stage. There's 1,000 people in the audience. I have my phone, and it's just here. Because remember, I'm in charge. So if there's a CT scan, I must approve, if anything. So I've got my phone here so that during the breaks of the live broadcast, which we're broadcasting to 48 million homes, I can respond.
Yeah.
And my phone keeps vibrating under my thigh, and I'm like, oh, can't do anything about it now. I'm moderating. As soon as we go to ad break, I've got an earpiece in my ear, and the producer says, Nozi, let's go to ad break. I take us to ad break. I pull out my phone from under my thigh. And the message from B, I'm sorry if I'm triggering you now, my little sister, is 3 words. Ma is dead.